channel. Well, my partner let me, you know, do a review on this car and everything. So I'm gonna do the core install and everything. He got a rotofab, as you can see in that beautiful box. But cash out the bag, as you can see, the Ghostbuster is right here. As you can see. Look at those brakes. You got the brake calipers, painted and everything. Got a 5% all around, 35 on the windshield. It's a beauty. She's a beauty. Well, let's go ahead and get this installed. Let's get it cracking. I got some company in that day. It's a skitty. It's a skitty. It's a skitty. Gotta go get him. Gotta go get him. Gotta go get him. It's a skitty. He ain't messing with it. It's not up for debate. Stay in the back. Yeah, bro. It's a skitty pack. Don't do it. Do not do it. What are you doing? All right, clear it out. Clear it out for me. There we go. Bye, skitty. Bye, skitty pack. Yeah, feels good when you have a bow tie, you know, of instant power, you know, just instant power. Let me close this up. So y'all, I'm on my way to actually go to the spot, you know, to actually show y'all some more in-depth features on it, about the whole, you know, track sport tour, everything about that. And you know, you can actually hear the rotofab intake more, you know, you can hear that deep suction. You can actually hear it. You can actually feel it when you're driving, to be honest. So when I say you can actually feel it, like instant, you know, response, it beefs up your response to your engine and everything. Also, you know, give you more ponies and everything. So with that being said, I'm about to take y'all to this spot, let y'all hear this exhaust, you know, me flying by and all that. So, well, we're gonna be back shortly. a charger. Like, you could really hear her describe it, cause she really whines now, like way more. You dig? Like, I wouldn't have ever expected this to be like this in person, cause all I did was really watch videos on it, you know, just to see, you know, other people interpretation on it and everything. So see other people aspect, you know, it'll go a long way from actually hearing it in person. But it's the instant pickup, like get up and go, you know. I mean, you really get what you pay for with this car, you dig? I mean, me personally, I wouldn't do it. Even if I had the money, I wouldn't do it, because I'm a builder cat. Like, I love to build. So instead of me putting 60 G's or 65 G's into a car off the lot, I can take an older car and, like, you know, blow it out the water. You dig? Like, putting 60 G's towards it. Like, let's say, for instance, you know, the Camaro SS came and it was like, you see, like 30 G's, 33 G's, I'm gonna see. You got 33 G's of a car, and the ZL1 got 65. You have $35,000 more, you know, just to play with, just to get that car up today. And I guarantee you, from you building with the transmission, the tuning, the rear end, the motor, all itself, you will really gap that car. Like, so yeah, but me personally, on my intake about this car is an immaculate car, like all across the board. You can't do nothing about the design, the shifting, the engine performance. Oh my gosh, it's to die for. You know, you get 650 torque and 650 horsepower to the crank. Come on now, you do the math. It's over right around 600 to the wheel, right around 600 to the wheel, right around 600 to the torque. You dig? So I mean, you getting really what you really want to pay for. I mean, you know, it got the same engine as that come out the Vet Z06. So you just have a little heavier body than a Vet. But if you a guy that loves to sit on the ground and you know you got 100 G's to throw around, go ahead and get the Vet. But if you more of a classic, sit up a little bit higher, but also still get down with that little car, you know, go for the ZL1. Like, and I've been in my fair share of ZL1s. You know, me personally, I never really owned one. My grandma had one, but it was a 15. So I always been around fast cars, like basically all my damn life. Like, you know, as far as me getting my license and everything. But I love this car. I'm not gonna cap. I love this car. My grandma have a 2020 ZL1 as well. I ain't never do the review on it, but you know that's coming up real soon. After my partner didn't let me, you know, play around in his, you know, I had installed the intake and everything, which y'all already seen it. Y'all seen it by now, you know. What am I talking about? But I'm currently about to go get some gas, you dig? And then peace gonna be out, baby. We gonna have some more fun. Peace out. You dig? You know, I forgot all about the outro. You know, like, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family. You know, all them slow pony owners, everybody. If you won't get gap, pull up. You already know what I'm in. I'm in my fifth gen. You know, I love the 5th gen. That's my favorite car of all time. You know, so ain't getting rid of that at all. That's gonna be my child's car if the good Lord see the same. You know, but for the most part, diesel out, baby.